Hopewell Chinono tips gift Ostallos Siziba as future leader of Zimbabwe. The 29th of August, 2025, by a correspondent, prominent journalist and filmmaker Hopewell Chinono, has predicted that CCC deputy spokesperson gift Ostallos Siziba could one day become Zimbabwe's first Ndebele president, describing him as an intelligent and disciplined young leader with the potential to unite the nation. Writing on social media, Chinono praised Siziba's ability to fluently speak Shona, Ndebele, and English, noting that language is a key tool for communication and national cohesion. He said Siziba's pursuit of a PhD demonstrates not only intellect, but also discipline, qualities he believes Zimbabwe desperately needs in its leadership. If everything remains constant, gift Ostallos Siziba will one day become the first Ndebele president of Zimbabwe. Chinono wrote, "If Zimbabweans ever chose to vote for competence instead of loyalty to failed politicians, Siziba would one day rise to the presidency." Chinono further lauded Siziba's approach to politics, saying he embraces debate and respects opposing views without anger. At just 33 years old, he added, Siziba still has years ahead to sharpen his leadership skills. Quoting the late nationalist Joshua Nkomo, known as Big Josh, Chinono said, "Zimbabwe will not die. The youth will one day rescue it." He argued that Siziba embodies that promise, representing a new generation rooted in ideas, courage, and knowledge. Zimbabwe's rebirth will not come from tired old men clinging to power. It will come from young leaders like him who dare to believe in solutions and who carry the fire of tomorrow in their hearts, he said. Chinono urged Zimbabwe's elders to stop fighting young leaders and instead support them to grow into capable, visionary figures.